Here's a body off the frame restored 49 Ford Woody Country Squire wagon. Very cool car. Hey, I'm Jay Grams. We're here at the Volo Auto Museum. You can go to volocars.com to get the pricing and all the specs, pictures top to bottom of this car, and you'll find a few hundred other collector cars that are all for sale. We also have shipping, financing, and on there's plenty of ways to contact us. We have a whole staff of people that have been selling cars for years. We know the questions you have and probably have the answers for you. So get in touch with us. We can help answer any of your questions or concerns. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's the best way to see these videos as they come out. Let's take this car for a spin. Very well-known shop up in northern Wisconsin. They restore old Fords. They do Thunderbirds. That's who did this car. It is literally a body off the frame. We have pictures on our website. The bottom of the car is painted this color. The chassis is black, but it's completely restored. It's a 3-seat, all stock original, right down to the Firestone reproduction tires. The wheels are painted, the body color, all new trim. The wood is all restored. It's beautiful, two-tone wood. That's real wood. All the chrome, stainless, all beautiful. There's the original tire in back. I'm going to open that in a minute. All new tinted glass. They slide back and forth with no problem. Yeah, they're just stiff because there's all new gaskets in there. The interior is all redone. There's even wood on the inside. Dash, beautiful. That's fake wood, but it looks like real wood. That's really cool how it's painted on this metal. Steering wheel, all the knobs, everything is redone. It's a 3-speed overdrive. It has the original flathead engine, which I'm going to start up in a minute. It just purrs so nicely. Got a nice hood ornament here. Yeah, this is a high quality car here, folks. Everything in here looks new. Everything's painted, all the wires, cables, nuts, bolts, everything looks pristine under the hood of this car. Cool door handles. The door jambs are restored. All rubber mat. Open up this tailgate here for you. There are 2 chrome latches. I already had them unlatched to make it a little easier. But isn't that cool how all that, the tail lights kind of pivot with the tailgate? I am going to put it back up because I don't want it to hit the wall. So I've got 3rd row seating. So let me fire this up. It's got that old distinct flathead sound. It's got a manual choke. I'm sure there's just the right setting for it, which you'll get used to real quick. But this car just runs nice. It always starts for us. It's just one of those cars we've got here in inventory, and it never gives us any trouble. There, it just purrs. That's nice. Wiring, all the cloth wrapped wiring looks new. People that had it restored have a vineyard up in Door County, Wisconsin. I believe the owner passed away and we ended up purchasing the car. It's been completely serviced. It is literally turnkey, ready to go to a car show. Yeah, I'll mess with that. Oh, there it goes. Has the metal visor over the windshield. just a beautiful car inside and out. If you just appreciate workmanship, craftsmanship, detail, all the chrome buttons are shiny. I mean, this is a nice, nice car. And you can get in and drive it. Very nostalgic, a real Ford Woody. So go to volocars.com. You can grab the information and pricing. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We got plenty more videos to come. So thanks for watching and stay tuned.